Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the hardware and powering on. Place both earbuds in the open case and verify the LED status. A solid or blinking light shows charge. Once done, remove them to wake pairing mode automatically on most Jabra models. Make sure you see the LED or hear the voice prompt that confirms power on. If one earbud stays off, charge it alone for 10-15 minutes. This ensures both units initialize and are ready for the next step. Now pair and configure. Open Bluetooth settings, choose the Jabra device name, and confirm any pairing PIN prompts. This links the earbuds to your device. Next, install the Jabra Sound Plus app. It provides firmware updates, customizable EQ, side tone, and button mapping, so make sure to allow Bluetooth and notification permissions. Once the app finishes its setup, run a firmware update if offered. Updates often fix connectivity and improve battery life. Keep the earbuds close during updates to avoid interruption. For everyday use, tap or press controls to play, pause, skip tracks, and answer calls. Consult the app for custom gestures to match your flow. If you encounter dropouts, first move closer to the source device, then reboot earbuds and phone. If persistent, perform a factory reset by holding the earbuds buttons for 10-15 seconds or using the app. As a final tip, ensure firmware is current and test the microphone and ANC in a quiet room. Many issues resolve after an update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.